To manage a project using Airtable, start by signing up for a free account on Airtable.com. You can enter your work email or continue with Google. After signing up, answer a few questions, including which team you are on, and then add team members by entering their email addresses. An email invitation will be sent to them. Next, create your first workspace, and it's recommended to start with a template to avoid doing everything from scratch. Choose a template that suits your project, such as marketing, content operations, or event planning. Once you've selected a template, you'll be taken to your project workspace. The template will have different sections and steps, such as reviewing creatives, campaigns, and results. You can customize the view by clicking on different options like calendar, gallery, or list. You can also create a new view by clicking on Create New View. To organize your project, you can add more sections, create a blank table, or import data from another source. You can also add automations, known as triggers, which set off specific actions. For example, you can send an email when a form is submitted. To do this, click Add Trigger, choose the event, and then select the action. You can also add interfaces to drag and drop data into action. Giving you an overview of your project. Using Airtable for project management involves picking a template, customizing it, and adding steps and sections as needed. You can add new information, such as creatives or campaigns, and track the progress of your project. Airtable also allows you to start from a blank template, giving you full control over the customization process. Additionally, you can import data from other sources and invite team members to collaborate on your project by sharing it with them and assigning roles. Overall, Airtable provides a flexible and customizable platform for managing projects.